today's class, this is omolayoofashionacademy. I will be putting you through on how to make accurate body measurements. I hope you're ready for me. Then let's move to class. Today, it's about how to take a blouse measurement. You can see this accessory. If you have it on, make sure you remove it before you take your measurement. And if it's your client that's putting it on, just tell her to put it up so that it will be easy for you. So let's remove it. The measurement starts from the top downwards. In taking a blouse, there are different ways we make blouses. You can join it at the waistline, or you sew it straight to the trunk. Yes, I'll be teaching you the two ways to take the measurement. Now we're taking the measurement from the shoulder to the bust point. The bust point is the nipple point. That's your nipple, that's the bust point. So from the shoulder head close to the neck, you bring it to the bust point. I have 11 inches. Shoulder to underbust, that's from the tip here also to the underbust. The underbust is 14 inches. 14 inches, that's my underbust here. Yours could be bigger than that, and it could be smaller than that. It's underbust. Can you see the garment I'm wearing is illustrating it very well. This is under the bust. To get the waistline, the easiest way is to tie a rope around your waist. Let's do that now. A rope and tie to your waist, or a tape like this. That's for easy way to locate your waist. That's the thinnest part of the waist. That gives us the waistline, the thinnest part. Tie it like this, not too tight. Just tie it like this. Then you take your tape and measure it around the waist. Let it go around the waist. Can you see? That's how to go about it. Now, we want to know the waistline from the shoulder to the waist. I've told you, you check with a rope and you place your tape across the bust to the top of the tape or the rope. I have 16 here. Now we are taking it from the shoulder to the trunk. That is to get the full length of the blouse. You put the tape at this end across your bust down to the trunk. I have 24 because of the body size. Some do have 25. That's okay. We're moving to the back measurement. For the back measurement, you put your tape close to the neck and pass it across, pass it straight like this to the waistline. There's a difference of 1 inch. We have 15 inches here. It's different to that of the front, which is 16 inches. That's why you have to take the back measurement. They are not the same thing. That's the measurement to the waist, if you're going down to the trunk, you just give it, it will be 23. You get it? Because it's still 1 inch difference. So measure your bust pen. Some call it nipple to nipple. Just, you can do it yourself on your body, nipple to nipple, locate it, put it there. Then you do it like this. Place and say nipple to nipple, 7, you have it like that, 8, 9, 10, yeah. Now to the bust. You have busty friends. You may be busty also. Picking the bust, you have to practice again and again. Just make sure you use your bust to practice, and you will see it's so easy. Put the tip around the bust. Around the bust. Like this. When you're doing that, don't put your finger under the tape. That will increase the inch. But just hold at the tip like this together. Just hold it at the tip like this together. Then, to know the exact measurement, just release your hand with 1 inch. This is how to take your upper bust circumference. You know, this is the bust, this is upper bust, this is under bust. So pull the tape like this, round the body. That will be close to the armhole, the armpit. Yeah. Make it firm. Make it firm very well. That is the upper bust. That's how to take the upper bust. Okay? Upper bust round like that. And for the under bust, round the circumference on the bust, put the tape round the under bust and take the measurement firmly. And now to your waistline, you already tied the rope, which is a very good guide to locate the waist. You tie the smallest part of your waist. Don't forget to tie the rope, and you hold the tape at the tip like this. Then release this 1 inch and do like this. Make it free on yourself, not too free, just with 1 inch, and release it with 1 inch. To get your round armhole, you have to put the tape around the hand, the entire hand. Just release your hand with 1 inch and move it around. That is your round armhole. Your round sleeve start from here, the biggest part of the hand. Measure it and walk around with ease, like the way I told you. Just add 1 inch. After holding firmly, then just release your tape with 1 inch and round. It must not be tight, it must be easy for you to lift your hand while after sewing your clothes. Then you take the next bigger size, the next part at the back, if the sleeve is going to be long, and it's not going to be long, you stop where you want to stop. But you can still continue to know how to take measurements. Just go down like that, continue to the wrist, the length of the sleeve you want to sew. You start from the bone that I told you about, the joint bone, to the desired length. The desired length could be 4, it could be 6, it could be 10. And now to the hip. The hip is the biggest part of your thigh to your buttocks. Yes, the biggest part of you is part of the trunk. The biggest part to your buttocks, like I said. So take your tape round the key, then release the tape with 1 inch, increase it to 1 inch, and make the movement. That's the exact measurement. It will be well fitted on you. And one thing I would like you to know about